Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Host Vlogs, India's first popular exclusive YouTube channel to promote the most famous websites, blogs, vlogs and any other products and services in different niches. Today we are going to introduce you to one of the most famous pioneer free online education platform in India, which is giving tough competition to tech giants like Byju's and Unacademy. And it's none other than Examfear. Examfear has completed more than 6,000 videos on mathematics, science, English and other subjects. It also gives exam tricks to the students to how to crack the exams exclusively for 6 to 12 standard students. Recently, they also started to guide students for NEET exams. Let's know something about Examfear. Examfear started well before Unacademy and Byju's and other online education platform. Examfear was founded by an IT professional named Roshni Mukherjee. She had compassion towards the poor children who were unable to get the good education. So she started a free online YouTube channel called as Examfear. It's exclusively for 6 to 12 standard students. Over the period of time, this channel got the attention of huge number of students and teachers. For this outstanding work, Roshni Madam was facilitated by the President of India under 100 Women Achievers, and she was given a speech at Global Education Symposium at Google Headquarters, California. She is identified by Niti Aayog as one of the top 25 women who is transforming India, and she holds Limca Book of Records for having most number of educational videos in her name, and the words goes on to describe Examfear. Today, Examfear can provide a free online education to millions of students in different parts of the country, and they are also doing their work under their NGO too. Examfear provides both online and offline guidance to 6 to 12 standard students in both English and Hindi medium. An offline program consisting of providing a pen drive to the students which contain essential materials and videos that cover each topic of their syllabus comprehensively. This website also provides Q&A platform, free materials and notes which are up to the standards of the education system, and these are available in that website. And this also has a take test window where you can take the mock test and you can do the practice. National level scores and ranks are also awarded. It also provides NCERT solutions to the students and teachers as well. So then why late? Let's see how the website will look like. This is the homepage of Examfear. The homepage or website of Examfear is very much simple and everyone can understand what is present in the website. It has some options present at the top like Shop Now, Login, Learn, Media, Pay as you like, Subscribe Hindi, Subscribe English. So we already discussed you can learn both in Hindi medium as well as English medium. Examfear basically offers two types of process. One is online process and the second one is offline process. In online process, Examfear suggests student to take these 5 steps for the online process. First is watching videos. Second one is asking questions, third is referring notes, fourth is taking test, and fifth one is NCERT solution. So we'll understand in detail what is present in each and every option. So if I click watch videos, it opens like this. This consisting of video lessons of various classes or subjects. Say for example, if you belongs to some classes, you can select your class, select your subject in this and select your chapter. As long as you press explore, you can get the videos of various subjects. Similarly, if I press ask questions, say for example after learning a chapter, if you have a doubt, you can ask questions from this. You can select your class, you can select your subject, you can select your chapter and you can explore the questions present in it, and if you don't find solution for this, you can type your questions here and you can ask the questions from this tab. Similarly, refer notes. After listening to the classes, if you don't have a proper notes, you can get the notes from this. Say for example, I am opening this class 12 physics, electric charge and electric charges and fields. If I press this, it opens this page. This, say for example, physics, electric charge and fields, it consisting of a brief description of notes for that chapter. So this is how you can refer the standard notes that is present in your syllabus. Next, take test. After learning this, if you want to check yourself, you can try this online test. For individual chapter also you can take the test. You can select your class, you can select your subject and you can select your chapter. You can take the test. Next, NCERT solution. You can get the standard NCERT solution from this option. You can select your class, subject and chapter, and you can get the NCERT solution of each and every chapter from this. So this is how the whole online process works, and you need proper internet connection for this. And you can learn from home without internet also. This Examfear also provides you offline learning process by giving you a pen drive. Pen drive consists of video lessons and you don't need any internet to play those videos. Say for example, if you want to buy a class 6 maths and science, you can press this buy course and this opens the Amazon link. And in Amazon, you can enter your home address and you can get the pen drive of this, and you don't need any internet to see those videos, and you can connect this pen drive to your mobile also and you can see the videos. So this is how the whole offline course works. This is all about Examfear. Link to the website is provided below, and Hostlog ratings for this website is 4.5 out of 5. Thanks for watching Hostlogs. Keep watching our channel, like, subscribe and share.